Understanding the phrase, "You're close now," in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, "You're close now." This phrase is common in everyday English, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind this simple yet intriguing phrase. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning of "you're close now." This phrase is typically used to indicate physical proximity. For instance, if someone is searching for a location and they are near it, you might say, "You're close now," to indicate that they are nearly at their destination. It's a way of reassuring someone that they are almost where they need to be. Interestingly, "you're close now" can also have a figurative meaning. It's often used in situations where someone is nearly correct or about to achieve something. For example, if someone is guessing an answer and they are not quite right but very close, you might say, "You're close now," suggesting that they are on the right track and just need a little more to get to the correct answer. Let's look at some contextual examples to understand better how this phrase is used. 1. Physical proximity. Imagine you are guiding a friend to a cafe. As they get nearer, you say, "You're close now. Just turn right at the next street." 2. In a game or quiz. During a trivia game, if a participant guesses an answer that's nearly correct, the host might say, "You're close now. Try thinking about related topics." 3. In problem solving. At work, when a colleague is solving a difficult problem and is almost at the solution, you could encourage them by saying, "You're close now. You've almost figured it out." I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "You're close now," in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, English is full of such phrases that can mean different things depending on the context. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to use them in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.